Hi, and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Microsoft OneDrive sync error or issues in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first solution that you can try to do is to check the internet connection and speed. So sometimes the problem may be with your internet connection instead of the OneDrive app. So the first thing that you should do is to check your internet connection. So if there's nothing wrong with your internet connection, you can check the internet speed. So if you need fast speed, a wired connection is your best choice. And then next, what you can do here is to make sure that your speed isn't limited. So there is a feature in OneDrive that allows you to limit sync speed. So if you find your OneDrive syncing is slow, you can try removing the speed limit. The sync slow issue may be resolved. So to do this, just click the OneDrive icon in the taskbar and simply select Settings from the menu and go to the Network tab, and under that, set the upload rate to unlimited, just like right here. So this is an example. And after that, click OK to save the changes. And then after you've done this and the problem still persists, what you can do lastly is to restart the OneDrive application. So if your OneDrive sync speed slows or it is not syncing and the methods prior to this are not effective for you, restarting OneDrive is like restarting any other application for PC. So follow the procedure below right here to restart the program. So first, just press the Windows plus R key in your keyboard and then simply type task mgr in the search bar. So after that, hit enter from the keyboard to open the task manager window and simply locate the Microsoft OneDrive just like right here as shown in the photo, and right click on it and simply select End Task from the context menu. So open the OneDrive desktop app from the Windows menu and OneDrive will start syncing all files again. So that's it for this video. Those are some solutions that you can do if you're having problem with the syncing process in your OneDrive. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.